I've been working with director Joe Connor for a couple of years in commercials, and he approached me with an ambitious creative hoping to push the technological limits of virtual production. The concept hinged on creating a landscape where passage of time could be manipulated as well as our horizon. Teaming up with Dyno, we moved from a 2D environment into a fully tracked 3D world in Unreal Engine. The digital team built a large landscape with AI weather patterns and cloud rendering. As we were pushing the live rendering to its limit, the use of light cards on the volume itself wasn't viable. Together with gaffer Sol Sehati, we devised a lighting plan that gave us the versatility we needed. Our creative challenge was to light our set in a way that felt naturally motivated, yet maintain the ability to shift our ambience and sun angle to match an almost time-lapse aesthetic, from dawn to dusk and into the night. We shot on the Dyno volume at RD Studios in West London, with lighting supplied by Nanlux and Pixel. Our camera package was an Alexa Mini LF with Caldwell Chameleon Anamorphics flying on a Scorpio 45 telescopic crane. We chose to use rigged Evoke 1200B units as backlight. We ultimately ran these without lenses, as this gave the broadest spread of light across our set with a 120-degree beam angle and minimal fall-off. With the equivalent output of a 2.5K HMI, the Evoke is far more efficient in terms of heat-to-light ratio, which is important as we focus more on sustainability. Due to restricted ceiling height, we opted to rig ultra bounce above the volume, acting as a passive sky. We supplemented this with moving heads bounced from the ground that could move and animate. We used a Dyno 1200C rigged into an additional 20x12 ultra bounce as a frontal key when required. We also lined the circumference of the volume with LED batten, which helped wrap around the directional light. An additional 1200B was used with an optodome where a more localised beauty light was required, or acting as a catch light in wides. All lamps were controlled via DMX through a desk in the hands of Frankie Shields. As Joe wanted flexibility in our environment, sun path, time of day and transition length, we didn't pre-program frame-accurate lighting sequences. We instead pre-programmed 12 lighting states and transitioned live between them, including dimming, colour shift and light direction. We paired our desktop Frankie with post-fizz supervisor Jesse Baber, who was able to feed through cues just seconds ahead of shifts. Dimming in 0.1% increments and Kelvin control from 2700 up to 6500 Kelvin made the Evokes the perfect solution for our setup. The IP54 rating was also useful in our sandy environment. Nanlux have utilised COB LED technology to make a lamp that not only competes with HMIs in terms of output, but maintains the flexibility of LED fixtures in terms of dimming and colour control, ever more important as we look for a sustainable future.